Oh, there you are. How's it going, my Baza Bros family? In today's episode, we'll be eradicating, that's right, not covering up, but eradicating rust from a kitchen island cart. And as you can see, I'm already prepared. I got my goggles, my mask, with the particles created from the removal process. We do not want to breathe in or have the particles go into your eyes. And as you can see here, the rust is pretty bad. There's numerous ways you can go about trying to remove it. There's going to be little crevices that may be hard to reach, which is why I decided to use a wire brush set. So here you can see I just picked this up at Home Depot. It's just a set with a flap wheel, a wire wheel, a, what do you call this, end brush right there, and a piece that's already on my power drill, which is the wire cup. So you can just pick that up at any local hardware store. And now we'll get started with the process. Alright, let's give this a go here. You can see here, the idea is to use some elbow grease, push down quite firmly, and go around all the different areas. I'll go ahead and continue this. So a quick tip, if you saw me kind of struggling to keep it in place, is to, rather than have your arms extended outwards as you're trying this, that's harder to control. If you can somehow manage to do all the movements with the drill pressed up against your body, so you hold it with your arms not extended, like so, then you have more control and it won't wobble around as much. See here, I'm not 100% finished yet, but a lot of the rust has been removed. Maybe eradicate was too big of a word to use. We tried to remove most of it, and of course, if the rust was there once, it will come back unless I put some kind of coating on it or paint it. But I just wanted to remove most of the rust. There you can see this was the worst part before, and now it's pretty much almost gone. The finish is pretty good as well. And there you go. Removing rust. Baza Bros out.